Hi friends. So today I am not here at school. So like I talked to you guys the last couple days, um, I created a video for you that you can watch today and kind of follow along. I will be asking you to get out your composition notebook with the one with the boat. So if you need to do that right now, pause the video, get it out. You're also going to need a pencil. All right. So find those two things. Pause the video if you need time so I don't keep talking while you're trying to look for it, and get those out. All right. Now that you're back and you have everything ready to go, you have your pencil, you have your notebook with the boat, we're going to get started. We will be using the book in a little bit, but first we're going to do a little bit of a warm up today. But we're not going to do the sound cards. We're just going to do a warm up and practice the three trick words that we learned yesterday in the last couple days, right? Um, so we're going to practice, see if you know them, and then we'll move into the book, all right? Because the book we will be looking at those trick words and needing to spell two of them. So please make sure you know them. Alrighty? So here we go. I'm gonna make myself a little smaller. And here we have the three trick words that we have learned so far. So I'm gonna ask you to think about what this word is. And I know I'm not right there with you, but you can say it to yourself in your head. And you should be saying the word pull. Pull. Remember, this one is a weird one. Kind of sounds like it's an O right there, and that's why it's a trick word. All right, I'm going to go to the next trick word. This one is the word. Think about what it is. And it rhymes with the last one, right? So if this one is pull, this one is, hopefully you got it, it's full. Full, like my stomach is full. And again, it kind of makes an O sound there instead of the U, that it normally would, right? And that's why it's a trick word. And then our last trick word that we've been practicing the last couple of days, here it is. See if you can remember it. Hopefully you're saying to yourself that this is the word shall. Like, shall we go outside? Shall we get ice cream for dessert? Right? It's kind of like a question that you might ask. Shall. And this one is another trick word because we've been spending the last how many days talking about ALL and how it says all, but this word, it doesn't say that. This word says al. So we still have that sh, al, instead of all. So it's a trick word. All right. So please remember those three. You got shall, full, and pull. All right. And now that we have practiced those and you remember them, we are going to open up your book to page 4. So yesterday we used the book, right? We used our composition notebook. You're just going to turn to that very next page, which I believe if it is the next page, it should be page 4. If it's page 5, that's okay too. I'm not exactly quite sure what number we're on, but just whatever that very next page is. Turn to that page, and it should look like, I'm pulling it up on the screen right now, it should look like this, right? So you have some sounds at the top. We're going to do 4 sounds today. And then we're going to do 2 review words. So words that we've recently been working on. Or sorry, review words are 2 words that we have done in the past, or 2 types of words that we've done in the past. We're going to do 2 current words. That's what we've kind of been practicing lately. 2 trick words, which we just practiced. And then we're going to write a sentence. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to move this to the side a little bit so you can see it better. And then click over here. All right. So I'm going to start And I'm going to give you the sound that the sounds make, and I want to see if you can tell me by writing what the letters are, okay? If you need time during this whole thing, pause the video at any time so that you have time to write it before I give you the answer, right? I want you to practice it. And then if you get the word wrong, again, cross it out and then write it the correct way next to it. All right? So, number 1 for sounds. What letters, there's 2 of them, make ch, ch, ch? Pause the video if you need to and write that sound. And here we go. I'm going to give you the answer. Again, pause the video if you need more time to do it on your own. Ch says, or CH says ch. So if you got CH, nice job. If you did not get CH, please cross it out and write CH. All right, remember we cross it out because that way we're telling our brain that that answer we had to fix up a little bit. Number 2 for the sound. What letters make the sound all? All. And you're going to write it right here in number 2. All. Pause the video if you need more time. The letters, here's your answer. So again, pause the video if you need more time to think about it on your own. A-L-L. A-L-L says all. Nice job if you got that one right. Nice job if you didn't. Cross it off and write it the correct way. Remember, this is a glued sound. It says one sound altogether. Okay. Number 3. What letters, or letter, this one's just one letter, says ah? Look at my mouth. Ah. If that's a hint. Ah. Pause the video if you need time. And here we go. Here's the answer. The letter that says ah is a vowel, and it's the vowel O, like octopus. Ah, right? Here's our next one. What letter, for number 4, or what letter says eh, eh, eh? Think of the card if you need to with the word. All right, pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, here it is. The letter that says eh is like the card that says ed. It should be a E. E says eh. All right. Nice job with those sounds. We're going to go down to the review words, which are words that we've done in the past. We might not have done these words specifically, but we've done words with these blends or digraphs. Okay? So here we go. Number 1 is the word pinch. I'm going to tap it out with me, okay? P-I-N-C. P-I-N-C. Pause the video if you need more time, or rewind it a little bit so you can tap it out with me again if you need. But pause it and write the word, and then I'm going to write it here with you in a second. All right, so here we go. Here is the answer. Again, pause if you need more time to write. The word is pinch. P-I-N-C-H. The CH says ch, and the I says I. And then we can underline the CH because it's a digraph. That is the word pinch. All right, our next word, number 2. Again, please pause the video anytime you need. Our next word is frost. Tap it out with me. Frost. 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 Pause the video if you need more time. Here's the answer. Again, please pause if you're still writing because I know I'm going fast because I don't have as much time. But you guys can please pause the video if you need to. Frost. F R. FR is a blend. It says fur. Ah is O, octopus, ah. And then that ST blend says st, frost. All right. Nice job if you got it. If you did not get it, pause this video, cross your answer out, and write the correct spelling, please. Number 1 for current words. We're going to write the word swell, 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 swell. All right, here we go. Pause the video if you need more time to write, because I know you probably do. Pause it. Here it is. S-W E for ol. And friends, because there's a vowel and there's no blend at the end, right? This one gets a bonus letter L, because L is a bonus letter. So we can put that star above it, and then there is a blend here. Swell. Nice work so far. Here's another one. Our next word, number 2, is the word sniff. 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 Pause the video if you need more time. Here's the answer. S-N, that is a blend. Sn. And then it's I for I. And then f. Friends, because it's a F, that can get a bonus letter, but we got to check the rules. There's a vowel before it. That's an I. And there's no blend here. Because the F is a bonus letter, we can have a bonus letter. So it's a star bonus letter. Cool. Sniff. Friends, again, if you're not getting these words correct, please cross them out. Pause the video to do this. Cross your word out that you wrote and write it the correct way. All right, these next 2 words are trick words. I'm not going to sound them out because they're a trick word. So here we go. The first word is the word full. Full. And we just did it earlier. Full. Pause the video if you need more time to write. Here it is. F-U-L-L. Full. Remember, this one rhymes with pull, which are 2 of our words, but we're not going to do pull today. So that brings us to number 2. Again, pause if you need more time to go back and fix this one up. Number 2 is the word shall. Shall. Shall I go get some ice cream? Shall. Shh. Nope, sorry, I almost sounded it out. You can't sound out this one because it's a trick word, right? Shall. Pause the video if you need more time. For this trick word, the first part, you should be able to say, okay, shh, that is the right? That is an SH. But the next part is the part you really can't sound out because it's not saying what it should say. This is that part that says sh, al. And it actually, we know that this is a glued sound. It should say all, but it doesn't follow that rule. So that's why it's a trick word. And I can do this because it does have that digraph in it, but I cannot put the box around it because it's not that glued sound, right? I could put this up there though because it is a bonus letter. But no box for that one because it is a trick word. And this one I could also put a bonus letter star on the top. Friends, because of the time that I have, I'm just going to write a sentence for you. I'm not going to really talk about it a whole lot, but this one, it's Bill will win at chess. And I want you to go in and I want you to read this word and I want you to mark it up with the bonus letters, mark it up with the digraphs or blends if it has any on yours. And you can copy it, pause the video because I ran out of time. Just pause the video and please write the sentence for me, okay? Have a great day. I'll see you on Monday.